For this video, I'd like to show you how to submit a Google Doc in Canvas. So the first thing we need to do is go to the assignment. We'll scroll down. And what I want you to do is submit a Google Doc assignment. So to get to that assignment, you're going to click here on this hyperlink. It's going to take you to a screen that wants you to make a copy. So make a copy. It'll bring up the assignment. So there's just a couple of easy questions. Where do I message my teacher in Canvas? Okay, there's an email. So we type that in. How do I know what I'm doing today for class? You're going to look at the weekly agenda. And you don't have to save, it automatically saves. So you'll go up here to share. Now, if you look at this bottom box, you need to change to anyone with a link can view. So right now it's restricted. So I need for you to change that. If you don't change it, then when you submit the assignment, I won't be able to have access to the document. So you're going to copy the link. We're going to go back to the assignment, and after completing the form, you're going to click here, and that's going to bring you to your assignment page. So we're going to submit the assignment, and this is a website URL, so we're going to paste the link, so it'll appear there, and then submit the assignment. And we get confetti. We did a good job.